First, let's turn our attention to the big talking point of the weekend. It's education, isn't it? Teachers Union, NATU, pleased with the plan to vaccinate teachers from next week. Basic Education Minister Angie Motshekga announcing the vaccination drive timeline for teachers yesterday. School staff will also be vaccinated. Here's some reaction. General Secretary of the National Teachers Union, Cynthia Barnes, saying the department's plan is sound.
We are not disputing the fact that we would love to see the children going back to school. But the only thing is that if the virus is now spreading so fast, so therefore we can never allow the teachers as well as the learners to go back to school and risk their lives. That is why maybe the minister said they are going to be looking at the province themselves as well, looking at the school by school. But the only thing that we are requesting as the National Teachers Union is that if ever there's anyone that is infected at school, they must follow the SOP, whereby the schools now need to close and then fumigate and do everything. Not to say now a certain portion of learners or a certain portion of teachers must go home and the others must remain in school. So we are not against the learners going back to school, but the only thing is that everything must be in place. For example, let us go back and look at what the department was supposed to do first. The department was supposed to help the schools by sending some mobile classes in order for the learners to be able to adhere to the COVID-19 regulation, the social distancing. That is the first thing that they're supposed to look at, especially those schools in the very deep rural areas, as well as water. So those are the basics that the department needs to look for and then send to school. And then everything will be in place.
Well, it certainly seems opinion very much split as far as the return to school is concerned. The Educators Union has warned that it will physically shut down schools if the Education Department doesn't close them.
Sending teachers to a place where people are dying. We are facing a virus that is not known. I mean, even the vaccines that she's announced teachers are getting are still trials. So basically, teachers now are guinea pigs because she's giving teachers vaccines that are still under trial. We wanted vaccination of teachers, but we were expecting that she could use vaccines that have a history, like vaccines in China and Russia. Those countries are dealing very well with the virus. But she's giving us some vaccines that, and actually we don't even believe that teachers will get vaccinated. Remember, we've been getting stories. The first round from India, we were told they expired. The second ones, J&J, we were told they contaminated. These ones, we will hear another story. We know the minister, and in what she's doing was just PR. That's why she went publicly today and compromised some hours of her birthday just to come and give us things that we already knew. She could have sent an email or sent a media statement to address what she's been doing there. But we're very disappointed. And actually, we have a plan of action from Monday as the union. We've decided in consultation with our members that we are going to call for the withdrawal of labor from teachers. And if on Friday schools are still open, on the other week, we are going to physically shut down schools, working with community organizations that we've consulted with. But learner organizations that have came to us, we've got political organizations that have approached us, and we are going to shut down schools. We are giving the minister 1 week, but from Monday, teachers must withdraw. Teachers must take leave because teachers have a right to take 2 days leave without submitting a sick note. Monday and Tuesday, we are going to make a call that teachers must report sick because they are sick and tired of this minister that's bullying teachers